Hi friends and welcome to Roma's Creation. This is Roma here. Today again I'm going to tell you the benefits of Multani Mitti, that is also called Fuller's Earth. So at one glance we will see that how can Multani Mitti help in increasing your beauty, your skin as well as your hair. First of all, Fuller's Earth, Multani Mitti provides a soothing effect. It's an antiseptic. It relieves effects of heat. It also improves your complexion because it increases blood circulation. It is a very good cleanser for the skin. It is not very expensive, which is very important, and it is very easily available. And it has been known for not having any side effects because it has a very cooling effect on your face and your hair. To tell you more about this thing, I'll tell you that it also helps in removing dead cells, giving the skin a very healthy glow and improves the texture of complexion. It helps get rid of acne and blemishes along with hydrating the skin and clearing blackheads which you have on your skin. And it also clears whiteheads. It helps with dry and flaky skin as soon as treated a dark and patchy skin. It can reduce visible scars also. As it has a very soothing effect, it helps calm the skin after long exposure to the sun and heat. Now, up till now I've told you the benefits of Multani Mitti. Now I'll tell you how to use this. This can be applied to the face for desired results. First of all, for making packs and masks, I will tell you for dry and patchy skin. Mix together 1 teaspoon each of Multani Mitti and plain yogurt. Let it soak for half an hour. Then add to it teaspoon of mint powder. Apply this paste to your face for at least 20 minutes and wash away the water. Now for glowing skin, you will need a tablespoon each of honey, piece of papaya, ripe papaya, and 2 tablespoons of Fuller's Earth, and that is Multani Mitti. Use it on your face and leave it for about say 5 minutes and then wash away. Take 2 spoons of Multani Mitti, 1 teaspoon paste of neem leaves, then 4 to 5 powdered cloves and a pinch of camphor and some rose water. Make a paste out of the above components and apply it on your face. Mix Fuller's Earth with grinded almonds and glycerin soap. Use this mixture to scrub your face with it and then you can see the difference. 1 tablespoon each of Multani Mitti and plain yogurt. Add to it 1 beaten egg. Apply to your face and wash it dry after 20 minutes. This will also help you to decrease wrinkles on your face because when Multani Mitti dries, it becomes a little hard and stretchy effect on your face. So it gives a good facelift also. It should be seen that before using any of these beauty masks, for the first time, you should test it as a patch on your skin. Tip to be kept in mind is not to smile or talk much when the mask is applied to the face because it can cause wrinkles of the face. So while you apply the thing, Fuller's Earth, the mask on your face, keep your face as still as it can be. Because it will definitely remove your wrinkles, but making a lot of facial expressions can also spoil the benefits of the Multani Mitti. और आज फिर हम अपने नुस्खों के साथ आए हैं जिससे आपकी स्किन और त्वचा बढ़िया से बढ़िया ग्लो करेगी। पिछले एपिसोड्स में हमने आपको डल स्किन के बारे में बताया, मुहासों के बारे में बताया और एक ही प्रॉब्लम के हम कई तरीके बताते हैं क्योंकि किसी के स्किन टाइप को कुछ सूट करता है, किसी के स्किन टाइप को कुछ सूट करता है। तो मुहासों के लिए हम आपको एक और सुझाव बता रहे हैं जिसके लिए आप सिरका यानी विनेगर और पानी साथ में उबालकर अपने मुंह को स्टीम कर सकते हैं 5 मिनट तक। उससे आपके जो बंद पोर्स हैं वो खुल जाएंगे और आपके पिंपल्स डेफिनेटली गायब हो जाएंगे। तो उसके लिए कितना हम सिरका लें और कितना हम पानी लें, तो आधा कप सिरका या विनेगर, इसे आप हाफ बोल ऑफ वाटर, दैट मीन्स 2 कप ऑफ वाटर, उसके साथ आप बॉईल कर लीजिए अच्छी तरीके से। और उसके बाद आप सर पे टॉवल रखें या अगर आपके पास स्टीमर हो तो अपने फेस को आप स्टीम करिए। स्टीम मतलब भाप लीजिए और उससे आपके स्किन में जरूर डिफरेंस पड़ेगा। आप ट्राई कीजिए। एक और तरीका जो आपको अचंभे में डाल देगा और सबके घर में होता है, अगर आपकी स्किन पर मुहासे या कोई भी स्किन एलर्जी हो गई हो हल्की सी, या गर्मियों में जैसे घमोरी टाइप की हो जाती है, छोटे छोटे दाने निकल आते हैं, उसके लिए आपको हम बताएं कि क्या चीज बहुत इफेक्टिव होती है। यस, सो वेटिंग इज ओवर एंड नाउ आई टेल यू दिस। ये यानी कि पेस्ट, टूथपेस्ट को आप अपने प्रॉब्लम एरियाज पर लगाइए। इससे आपको ठंडक मिलेगी, आपके त्वचा को आराम मिलेगा, बिकॉज इसमें मिंट होता है, इसमें कूलिंग एजेंट होता है। जब आप अपने दांतों में ब्रश करते हैं जो आप फील करते हैं, उसी तरीके से ये आपके मुहासे और आपके स्किन को भी ठंडक पहुंचाएगा। तो ट्राई दिस। स्किन प्रॉब्लम इज मेजर प्रॉब्लम अबाउट गर्ल्स। लड़कियों की मेजर प्रॉब्लम्स क्या होती है? स्किन। जब उनकी स्किन अच्छी होती है तो दे फील कॉन्फिडेंट एंड दे फील ब्यूटीफुल। तो आज हमारे मुंह पे जो मुहासे या पिंपल्स निकल आते हैं, उसकी सबसे आसान तरीका जो आज तक मैंने जाना है, वो आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ कि बहुत ही सिंपल है। इसे सुनकर आप लोग जरूर सरप्राइज हो जाएंगे। सो आई विल टेल यू, डू यू रिकॉग्नाइज दिस? इसे पहचाने। ये है लहसुन के टुकड़े। इसे आप अच्छी तरीके से पीस लीजिए और अपने प्रॉब्लम एरियाज में दिन में 3 से 4 बार अगर आप रब करेंगे, उसको लगाकर छोड़ दीजिए, तो देखिए कितना ड्रास्टिक चेंज आता है। और अगर आपको मेजर प्रॉब्लम है मुहासे की, तो इसे 2 से 3 पीसेस ऑफ गार्लिक आप रोज सुबह उठ के 1 महीने तक निहार मुंह खाइए। निहार मुंह मीन्स विदाउट ईटिंग एनीथिंग, एंड ट्राई बिकॉज garlic is a very good blood purifier and you will see the change. Skin problems, like I've got a lot of requests and I've seen a lot of my friends who want to reduce the dark spots on the face. You've got good complexion but there are some dark spots, कुछ दाग ऐसे होते हैं जो जाते नहीं हैं और वो अच्छे भी नहीं लगते मुंह के ऊपर। तो आज हम आपको बताएंगे कि काले धब्बों के लिए हम क्या लगा सकते हैं, and that's very easily available in your kitchen. ये जो तरीका है ये बहुत सेफ भी है। ये केवल ना ही आपके धब्बों को कम करेगा बल्कि आपका स्किन भी लाइट करेगा, आपके स्किन को ग्लो भी देगा, एंड इट इज़ वेरी इफेक्टिव एंड सेफ। और लड़की लड़के दोनों लगा सकते हैं। तो लेट्स सी व्हाट वी यूज इन रिड्यूसिंग द डार्क स्पॉट्स ऑफ आवर फेस। उसके लिए वी नीड अ स्पून ऑफ रोज वाटर, इजीली अवेलेबल, चंदन पाउडर, tablespoon of glycerin and few drops of lemon. So let's see how we prepare the paste for the reducing of dark spots. Half a tablespoon of lemon drops. We'll mix half a tablespoon of rose water into it. Half a tablespoon or a little bit of glycerin. So glycerin is very good moisturizer for your skin, and you can take the sandalwood powder यानी कि चंदन powder, how much ever thickness you want for the paste. पेस्ट को हम थोड़ा सा थिक ही रखेंगे ताकि वो हमारे फेस पे अच्छी तरीके से रुक जाए, क्योंकि इफ़ इट इज़ वेरी थिन, बहुत पतला होगा तो हमारे फेस पर से फ्लो कर जाएगा, नीचे वो चूता रहेगा। सो राइट नाउ इफ यू सी द कंसिस्टेंसी इज वेरी थिन, सो वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड अ लिटिल मोर ऑफ सैंडलवुड एंड मेक इट अ थिक पेस्ट. यू कैन ऑल्सो कीप इट इन योर फ्रिज एंड अप्लाई इट later. See, now it has become a little thick, easily applicable on your face. इस फेस पैक को आप ज़्यादा भी बना के रख सकते हैं फ्रिज में, एंड इट इज़ सो सेफ एंड इट इज़ सो माइल्ड दैट यू कैन अप्लाई फ्रीक्वेंटली. Probably you can apply every day if you have time. Before going to bed, in the night when you take out your makeup and wash your face, and just apply this face pack and wash it and pat dry your skin and tone your skin. Toner होता है या moisturizer होता है, toner लगा के फिर आप उसको moisturize करके स्किन को आप रात में सोइए और सुबह अपने स्किन का ग्लो देखिए, and definitely it is sure that after few applications your dark spots will fade in. Hi friends, आज हम आपको अपनी त्वचा को कैसे ग्लो करते हैं इसका तरीका बताएंगे. जब हमारी त्वचा काफ़ी ड्राई हो जाती है और डल हो जाती है तो उसको इंस्टेंट ग्लो कैसे दे. इट्स अ वेरी इजी स्टेप. यू कैन फाइंड ऑल द इंग्रेडिएंट्स इन योर किचन. सो लेट मी स्टार्ट विद द थिंग्स वी यूज फॉर ग्लोइंग स्किन. आप 1 चम्मच हनी ले लीजिए, हनी मतलब शहद, 1 चम्मच बेकिंग सोडा खाने वाला, और 1 चम्मच एक्स्ट्रा वर्जिन ऑयल। एक्स्ट्रा वर्जिन ऑयल हो या कोकोनट ऑयल, एनी ऑयल विच यू कैन यूज ऑन योर स्किन। आप जो भी ऑयल अपनी त्वचा पर लगा सकते हैं, जो कोकोनट ऑयल हो, ऑलिव ऑयल हो, और एसेंस ऑयल आते हैं, उसको भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं। अब इन तीन चीजों को हम 1-1 चम्मच मिक्स कर लेते हैं और इस तरीके से इसका थिक पेस्ट बना लेंगे। फिर आप अपने फेस को वॉश करके साबुन से नहीं, पानी से धोकर उसे तौलिए से अच्छी तरीके से सिर्फ पैक ड्राई कर लीजिए। और उसके बाद ये जो मिक्सचर हमने बनाया है बेकिंग सोडा, हनी और ऑयल का, इसे आप मिक्स करके जो रखा है हमने मिक्सचर, उसे हम ऐसे सर्कुलर मोशन में पूरे फेस पर इसे 10 से 15 मिनट तक इसको ऐसे करके आप मसाज करते रहिए एंड लीव इट फॉर 5 मिनट्स। और उसके बाद आप पानी से धो दीजिए और फिर आप अपने त्वचा की ग्लो दीजिए। आज फिर हम आपको स्किन केयर के रूटीन में कुछ एडिशंस बताएंगे और बहुत ही इजी तरीका, याद है ना। फिर से हम आपको मुहासों की प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में बताएंगे, यानी एक्ने एंड पिंपल्स। आपको अगर इंस्टेंट रिलीफ चाहिए उनसे, तो आप इंस्टेंट चीजों का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। इंस्टेंट चीज कैसे? बर्फ। आजकल गर्मी है और सबके फ्रिज में बर्फ तो जरूर होगी। बर्फ को एक मलमल के टुकड़े में पैक करके, रैप करके, उसे फिर अपने मुहासों पर 2 से 3 बार दिन भर में लगाइए। तो इससे आपका इन्फ्लेमेशन यानी जो रेडनेस हो जाती है हमारे मुहासों के चारों तरफ, उससे इंस्टेंट रिलीफ जरूर मिलेगा। Today's beauty tip is how to use bleach on your face. You should not use too much of bleach on your face because it can have side effects which can bring rashes on your face and burn your face. So you should actually know what kind of bleach you're using on your face. Bleach definitely helps you to clean pores from your skin and it makes your skin glow and shine. But a light bleach which is suiting your skin, and if you have very sensitive skin, you should go for very light bleach, and if you have insensitive skin, then you can go little stronger brands. So for my skin I use Oxylife. It's a very nice and effective bleach, and it is very light on my face, and it makes my skin glow too, because with this we get this cream bleach, which is this is the pouch. Can you see? Yeah. So before applying the bleach on your face, there is a cream in this which I have applied on my face. So you wash your face and apply this cream on your face, and then post bleach cream also we get, which enhances the bleach to make your skin glowing on. So this is a cream, box of cream, and in this oxy bleach thing, so you can take how much ever you need for your face and your neck, and take a tablespoon of it will be fine enough, and you get this activator. This is a, can you see it? Activator, and this is blue in color. It's a powder thing. This actually activates the cream to bleach your facial hair, which results in your skin glow and shine. So in 1 tablespoon, half a tablespoon or a little bit less than that activator, mix the cream and the activator together properly. You can use your hands also with this, or if you want to use a spatula, so always go for these plastic ones, because you should not use a metal instrument in this, because this is a chemical, and metal can react with the chemical. So we use plastic spoons and a glass bowl to mix it with. So I have mixed both the things together, the activator and the cream, and I have kept it beforehand only, and now I will show you how I apply it on my face. Be careful, don't use it near your eyes, so because it burns. Little bit itchiness is there after you apply the bleach, and if it is okay for you, if it is bearable, then it is okay, but if it becomes unbearable and too much of itchiness is there, don't use it. Before trying this bleach, you can try sample on your hand. a little bit of it, you can apply it in your hand and see if you don't have any reaction with this, so that bleach is okay for you. Like this, I will apply on my face. On my upper lips. Tinginess is there, and that is very normal. You should not put near your eyes area, little away from it. You have to be careful that you should not bring it near to your hairline also, but I like my hairline to be a little brown, so I don't care. Also, I have not put a band on my forehead to put my hair back. I like it a little brownish, so even if they color, I like it. Get colored, I like it. You should be careful that your eyebrows don't get bleached. This is a routine which I do after every month. I don't do it in 15 days and all that. In a month, it's nice to clean your skin. You can always go for a facial after bleach. You should not do bleach after facial. First, you should do bleach your face first and then go for the facial. So it enhances the glow on your skin and brings the good effect, the total effect of the bleach and facial. In my other tutorials, I will be showing you how to do facial also. Wherever you find it a little bit more itchy, then just you can just do like this, so the itchiness goes away. On your sideburns, I like to bleach it. So if you don't like, you can just leave that area. The areas you don't want to be bleached, just don't apply this cream over there. So I have just finished applying this on my face, and you wait for 15 minutes and then wash it. Before washing, you can check your wherever you have more hair on your face, supposing you have upper lips also, so just take it out like this and see it in the mirror that they have turned golden. If they change their color and they turn into golden color, then you can wash your face. 15 minutes is fair enough for judging the time, and within 15 minutes, in 15 minutes, like, you can go and wash your face. And if you have too much of itchiness, please immediately go and rinse your face and rinse your eyes with water 4-5 times so that it soothes the eyes. You can, if you want to relax after putting the bleach, you can always close your eyes and lie down with cool cotton pads on your eyelids. Yeah. So I think my 15 minutes are done. I'm going to spend some time and then wash my face and come and show you how it is looking. So now friends, can you see? I've just washed my face and with water only. Don't use any soap, and just pat dry your skin. Don't rub it too much, because at this point of time your skin is very sensitive. So just pat it dry. And I can already see the difference. The skin is shining more, it has become smoother, and if you have little pimples or something like that, that also goes away, because it clears, it opens up the pores and clears your skin. Yeah, so it's more glowy and shiny, can you see? And now, and smoother too. And now I have this post bleach cream which we get with the pack. This, and this will help your skin to become better. It's a kind of gel. Don't bring a very big pack of bleach, because after a few days, like, or a month, if it is kept like that, the effect of the bleach goes away. So you can, I always get a small pack for myself in which I can just have 1 or 2 applications, so the effect remains and it is fresh and nice. So now I am putting this post bleach cream on my face. Nice smell. Please don't use soap for that day on your skin. No face wash, nothing. If you want, you can put a face mask to soothe your skin also, so that a little bit of itchiness is there. That also goes away. The actual effect of this bleach will come tomorrow. So if you have a party or a function, you can always do this bleach a day beforehand, so the real glow can come on the day of the occasion where you want to be fair and beautiful. So, and especially people who don't want to wax their upper lips, and if they have little hair here, the black hair, they can always go for bleach. And too much of hair if you have on your upper lips, please don't bleach, because then it looks like brown mustaches. So for that you can always wax your upper lips or go for threading. And if you have a fine hair on your upper lips and you don't want to bleach, you don't want to thread, or you don't want to wax, you can always bleach your skin, so it gives the normal skin color and it hides away the darkness of this upper lips thing. See, my side locks, everything has been properly bleached. And today again I am going to tell you about reducing the dark spots. This is another effective way how to reduce your dark spots. Different people have got different kind of skin, and different things suit different people. So if you try one thing and it's not working, so you can definitely go for another. So this is an option which you can try and see which one is suiting your face the best. It is also very, very effective. Some garlic pieces, लहसुन के टुकड़े, and little bit of onion, प्याज, इन दोनों को आप पीस के just grind them together and sieve it. उसको आप छान लीजिए और उसका जूस निकाल लीजिए. ये हमने जूस निकाल लिया है, and you can apply on your full face also and keep it for 5 to 10 minutes till it dries, and it can be there for 15-20 minutes. It's no harm, and then you can wash your face. मुंह तब तक धोइए जब तक कि उसकी स्मेल ना चली जाए. तो इसलिए I prefer it to use it in the night, so that anybody else cannot smell the garlic and onion smell from my face. So, and this is very effective, and use it for a month and you see the difference in the dark spots. It will definitely go away. If you like this video and tutorial, then please comment in my comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my video. Bye.